What if you could create lifelike, interactive presentations that speak, respond, and sell for you in less than 60 seconds? What if you could turn any idea or prompt into a fully interactive presentation that speaks, engages, and converts instantly? What if you could create presentations that grab attention, keep people hooked, and drive real results without hours of work? What if you could go from an idea to a talking interactive presentation without design skills, tech headaches, or complicated tools? All without any design skills, any writing struggles, any boring slides. Just type your idea and watch AI turn it into a high-converting presentation right before your eyes. Sounds crazy? Keep watching, because what you're about to see is changing everything. Here's the reality. Every business today needs powerful presentations to grow, especially in 2026 and beyond. No matter what you sell, your success depends on how well you present it. Because in today's fast-moving digital world, people don't buy based on features alone. They buy based on clarity, confidence, and how your message is delivered. That's where most businesses struggle. You might have an amazing product or service, but if your presentation is confusing, boring, unprofessional, then you lose attention, you lose trust, and ultimately, you lose sales. That's why presentations are no longer optional. They're essential. But here's the problem. Creating presentations today is a nightmare. You open PowerPoint or Google Slides and suddenly you're stuck. What do I write? How do I design this? How do I make it engaging? How do I make it sell? So you spend hours adjusting slides, fixing layouts, rewriting content again and again. And in the end, you get a boring, lifeless presentation that nobody cares about. And it performs terribly. People lose interest, they stop paying attention, they don't engage, and worst of all, they don't buy. Because static presentations are dead. In today's world, attention spans are shorter than ever. People don't want boring slides, they want something that talks to them, responds to them, engages them. But instead, you're stuck using tools that was built 10 plus years ago. And that's exactly the problem. And here's where it hurts the most. If you're trying to sell products, pitch clients, run webinars, teach online, then your presentation is everything. But most presentations, boring, static, confusing, non-converting, which means lost sales, lost clients, lost opportunities. Meanwhile, smart marketers are using advanced tools to create interactive experiences, talking presentations, AI-powered content, and they're closing more deals, making more sales, growing faster. While you're still trying to align text boxes, but not anymore. Because today, you're about to discover something that changed everything. Introducing SlideMind AI. World's first AI app that lets you create lifelike interactive presentations that interact like humans, engage like pros, and convert like top salespeople on total autopilot. This is not just another slide builder. This is an AI presentation experience engine. Here's how simple it is. Step 1, type your idea. For example, create a sales presentation for a weight loss program. Step 2, SlideMind AI instantly writes the content, designs the slides, adds voice narration, builds interaction. Step 3, your presentation's ready. Not just slides, a presentation that speaks, a presentation that responds, a presentation that engages. And when someone watches it, it doesn't just play, it interacts like a real person. It answers questions, it keeps them hooked, it guides them towards taking action. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours creating presentations, you create them in minutes. Instead of boring slides, you deliver engaging experiences. Instead of low conversions, you start seeing real results. With SlideMind AI, you could create sales presentations, build webinars, pitch clients, train teams, generate leads. And the best part, you don't need any skills. But it gets even better, because this isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity. Businesses everywhere need presentations, and most of them have no idea how to create ones that convert. That's where you come in. With SlideMind AI, you can create presentations for clients, charge $100, $300, even $500 per project, deliver in minutes instead of days, or use it yourself and create conversions, sell more products, grow faster. Simple math. Just 2 to 3 clients per week can turn into a seriously monthly income. Let's compare. The old way, hours of work, multiple tools, low engagement, poor results. The SlideMind AI way, done in minutes, all in one platform, high engagement, built to convert. Now you're probably thinking this must cost a fortune, right? In simple terms, SlideMind AI is priceless. If you had to do all of this manually, you'd need a designer, a copywriter, voice tools, multiple software subscriptions that would easily cost you $1,000, $2,000, even more. But today, you're not paying anywhere near that, because right now you can get started with SlideMind AI for a tiny fraction of the cost. And yes, your purchase is 100% risk-free. You're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you think this is not for you, we'll refund every single penny. But here's the thing, this is a limited time launch offer. Once it ends, price increases, monthly plans may return, access may be restricted. Plus, when you act today, you also get exclusive bonuses, commercial license, but here's the catch. This is a limited time launch offer only. Once it ends, the price goes up, bonuses disappear forever, and so now you have two options. Option 1, stay stuck with outdated presentations. Option 2, switch to SlideMind AI to create faster, smarter, high-converting presentations. This is your moment, so why are you waiting for? Click the button below and join the thousands of people who are already changing their lives with SlideMind AI and start creating presentations that actually work. Don't miss out. Get started today. We'll see you inside.